Happy birthday, Tita Marley, and I pray for you po na magkaroon kayo ng good health and happy lang po always sa kabila po ng nangyari. Alam po natin na masakit, nakakabigla, pero andito po ako para tulungan kayo, magtulungan po tayo na malampasan po natin ang nangyari. And sana tita ay ma-enjoy nyo po ang inyong birthday celebration, and always remember po na Noel and I love you so much, and enjoy the rest of your birthday party, and hope to see you soon, tita. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Josephine Lanosa from the Philippines. Hello, this is surprise greeting to Ate Marley. Happy 60th birthday, Ate. My wish is for your health and long life, and always pray to the Lord na lagi kang gabayan sa lahat ng plano mo sa buhay mo. Stay sweet and lovely, Ate, sa amin. Alam ko na love ka ni Lord kasi napakabait mong tao. Mula noon hanggang ngayon hindi ka nagbago sa amin, sa pamilya ni Kuya Romeo. Salamat at Ate, hindi ka nagbago sa amin. Lagi mo kaming naaalala, kinakamusta, at inuuwian dito sa Pilipinas. Ate, stay sweet, humble, and always pray. We love you and we miss you. See you soon. God bless, Ate. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Mars! Hope you're having a wonderful day there in Paris. You deserve all the love, peace, and blessings in the world. Happy birthday!
Hi there! Happy birthday! 365 days na ulit ang nakalipas, and that is something na isa-celebrate natin because it's your birthday. 365 days na full of memories, adventures, may ups and downs yan na nakalipas, but ayan, here you are, napagtagumpayan, and you survive, and full of memories nga yung 365 days. And starting today, it's another day 1 for your another 365 days. Feel your day 1, your another 365 days, and more days ng full of adventures and exciting memories. No? So, yeah, I miss you, and happy birthday, Coach Marley. And dahil dyan, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Marley. Wish ko sa'yo is always good health, always be happy, and kung ano man yung mga nangyayari ngayon, trials lang yun para sa'yo. Ang lahat ng yun is makakayanan mo. Alam ko how strong you are, and always pray lang kay God. And yun, happy birthday ulit, and I miss you.
Hello, Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko para sa'yo ay magkaroon ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan at matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Stay beautiful and manatili ka sa pagiging isang mabuting tao mo, at mahal na mahal ka namin dahil sa ikaw ay mabuting kaibigan. Hopefully na maging matatag ka sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na darating sa'yo, at andito lang ako, kaming lahat na naging parte ng buhay mo, willing na makinig sa'yo kung kailangan mo ng kausap, at wish ko sa yung birthday ngayon na mas maging masaya ka pa at enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Always beautiful and happy.
Hi Ate Bakat! Happy birthday! So, my prayer for you for your birthday is that I pray good health always, and I pray God will bless you abundance in all aspects of life, and sana magkita pa tayo muli pag balik mo dito sa Bohol. Enjoy your day, Ate Bakat. Bye-bye!
60 years of smiles, stories, and strength. Yan, of course, happy birthday kay Coach Merly. Parang 60 ka na ba? Parang 59 lang ah. So greetings from General Santos City, Coach Merly. I wish you the best in life, no? Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Special na araw mo ito. I-enjoy mo ng todo dahil sigurado right now, maraming nakakaalala sa special na araw mo. Again, happiest birthday. God bless you more. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and stay beautiful. Happy birthday, Coach!
Hi, kumare! Happiest birthday sa'yo. And 60 ka na? Para hindi halata ah. And you're still beautiful and you're still happy every time nakikita ka namin. And my wish for you na 60th ka na, of course, more blessings, good health, and stay strong every time na nasa abroad ka. And right now, we are missing you so much, no? And I'm sure your family also miss you here in the Philippines. And ngayon, as you celebrate your birthday, you deserve that, and together with your friends. And again, enjoy your day and stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye-bye!
Hello, Ate Merly. Ayan, maligayang kaarawan sa pinakamaganda, pinakamabait. Yan, inside and out. Sana maging masaya at puno ng blessing ang iyong kaarawan. Stay healthy, stay pretty. And I love you, Sisi. Ayan, ingat ka palagi. Ma.
Hi, Upline! Happy birthday! Ayan, so grabe, celebration mo na. So, I hope the celebration will be your best birthday ever. Ika nga, syempre, age is just a number. Importante, yung beautiness at saka yung heart mo is still young pa rin. So, Upline, enjoy to the fullest. God bless palagi and happy birthday again. Mwah!
Hello, Momsy. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you have done for me, for Mommy, and for our family. We are so grateful and blessed that we have met a loving and a caring person like you. Thank you for being a blessing to all of us. And once again, Momsy, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, ate.
Hi, tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tita. Sana mag-ingat ka lang palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ading.
Blow the candle.
Ayaw mamatay.
Ayaw mamatay.
Patay na sila na. Open na